beautiful park right now. Just finished going to the Mercer lab. It was really cool. It was a lot bigger than I thought, because normally I feel like things in the US, like anything experiential in this type of way, is always like just like 3 rooms max. That I'm about to go to an Apple event for their launch of their new MacBook Air that's launching on this Friday. Never been to an event like this, so this is first time. Have my favorite lip oil in handy. If you're cool tone summer, I think this is the perfect gloss.
I would say those be like the most coveted. Yeah. And you said you had the MacBook Pro, so it's obviously a little chunkier. You do get the cords, but it's like, it's amazing in a bag.
Oh wow. Wait, this feels like a notebook. Oh my god. It feels like, this is so funny. But we're just girls. We're just girls. New Apple computers. Hi. We are back at home after a super crazy, eventful, fun day. It was so many firsts for me, and it's just kind of crazy how today felt like a moment of, wow, I'm in New York. I went to an Apple event today, and I got access to the new MacBook Air before anyone else because it releases on Friday. And that's just crazy to me. I don't know if I would ever have this chance if I were back in my hometown in Virginia. Today really solidified, like, wow, I really should be spending my 20s in New York City. It's been already a year living here, and I don't know, it doesn't feel like it's been a year because half the time that I was here, I didn't have a community of people. I didn't have people that I could hang out with every single weekend. It's crazy the amount of opportunities, amount of things that are going on that in these giant buildings that you don't know what, like, people are closing deals in these massive financial buildings. Or then in Chelsea, people are having these mega galas. Like, there's actually so much going on in the city that the world is your oyster. New York is your oyster. And days like this, weeks like this, truly feel that way. So I'm super grateful and happy that I can call New York as my home at the moment. Who knows if I'm going to be here after a year or two. We'll see where that takes me. I'm just so happy that these opportunities came, and cheers to more opportunities in the future, and hopefully I can share it. Today is finally the weekend. I'm going to do all things fun. One of my favorite earrings. Look how pretty they are. I got these in Japan. But today we're gonna do a video how to have fun girl therapy in New York City, doing all things fun. We're doing only things that make us happy. But I just quickly got ready because I have a nail appointment, my first ever nail appointment. I've never gotten my nails done, and I won't lie, they kind of look crusty. I wonder how they will say about it. Like, I don't really do any hand cream or anything, but I went to Instagram to ask the people which nail art I should do, either the top one or the bottom one, and it seems like it's pretty like 50-50. The top one's only winning by a few votes, and I think they're both super cute, super spring. But we'll see what the nail artist says. We're gonna head over to Brooklyn, but I just want to do a video that only all things fun. I feel like because spring is finally here, my true self is finally coming out of this winter hibernation, and with daylight savings and everything, is we have an extra hour or two of sunlight.
Fly to the moon. among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Feel my
We just got our cuticles done. It looks so good already. Whoa, I love it. But she's picking out the colors.是 sandwich，
对，它有很多 sandwich。
哦，还有，
这边都是 sandwich。
啊 ，OK。I'm gonna ride the bike home. Wish me luck. Let's go home. Come on, take a ride with me. I got a credit card and some good company. Hair clips. Oh god, that's so cute. Today we're going to do a first impression unboxing of the new MacBook Air M3. I got my hands on it before the launch and I really wanted to give like my first impression of it before it launches out on Friday. S3 too.